Okay, are you ready? Yup, I'm ready. Okay, let's begin. Okay, guys, did you miss me? I miss you too. And now we're down to item number 8. Remember last time we've already done items number 1 to 7 in sampling distribution of the sample means. Today, we're going to do item number 8. Here's the question. Felicity's favorite fruit is strawberries. Strawberries. Koopa, koopa. Yep, strawberries. They're my favorite. Yay! Baby Daisy! Strawberries are my favorite fruit. I think I gotta go to the strawberry farm right now and get some. I'm ahead of you. Let's go. Of course, those are strawberries, alright? So those are the Koopas, and their favorite fruit are strawberries. Hence, she and her entire family are going to Baguio City. Tama kayo, guys. Diba sabi ko sa iyo, ang Baguio City, ito yung pinakamasikat ng lugar kung saan maraming ka makita ng mga strawberries. Kaya nga, diba sabi ko sa iyo, yung mga strawberries, you will enjoy the strawberry farm there. So, they will buy packs for her there. In approximation value, the minimum number of strawberries in a pack is 15. So, halimbawa, diba, let's say we go to strawberry farm. Diba, remember, they will sell mga strawberries there in nakapack, diba? Kung napunta kayo sa Baguio City. Tapos, the number of strawberries that you see in a pack can be 15 or 16, something like that. But they say that the minimum can be 15. And the number of strawberries in a pack increases by 2 until its maximum. What does that mean? Ibig sabihin, di ba remember sabi ko sa iyo kanina, the minimum number of strawberries in a pack is 15. And a pack increases by 2 until it reaches its maximum. When we say maximum, until the end. Pero we are not so sure where it is. So it increases by 2 in one pack. So let's say, di ba remember, this is 15, di ba? So we start off with the number 15. 15. Then what comes after 15? 17. Then 19. Then 21. 23. Tapos skip count mo hanggang infinity. Kaya lang, we are still not so sure kung alin packs yun. And what is the maximum number. Pero the clue is this. 5 packs of strawberries are bought for her. Moreover, there are 126 possible combinations of averages. So yan, there we go again. Meron tayong sampling distribution problem kung saan meron tayong sampling distribution of the sample means. And the value of the, be very careful, okay? So we have 126 possible combinations. And 5 of them are bought. So how do you write that? So ganito kasi yun. Again, we already have our n. We don't have the n yet, but we know that the n stands for unknown, di ba? Then we have the r. The r stands for 5. And then our total is 126. Tama? Now remember the formula NCR, di ba? We have n factorial, n minus r factorial times the r factorial. Tama? So we know that r factorial is equivalent to 5. So now what we're going to do is to solve for n. Now here's how we're going to do it. So again, we have this formula. N factorial n minus 5 factorial times 5 factorial equals 126. So now what do we do here? First, let's bring the 5 factorial upstairs so that we can set the n factorials underneath. So we have it like this. So now, when we rewrite the formula, it should go like this. N factorial divided by n minus 5 factorial is equivalent to 126 times the 5 factorial as you can see here. Diba? And what is 5 factorial? 5 factorial is 120. Alright? So now we multiply 126 times 5 factorial, which is, no. Tama ba? Ayan, kasi nga 4 times 3 times 2 is, ano yun? 5 times 4 is 20. 20 times 3, 60. Tama, 120. So 520 times 126. So the 0 will be on the side, 12. This becomes 5. This becomes 2. 1, 2, 6. 15,120. So yan. Now we have this. Now we have this formula. N factorial minus n minus 5 factorial equals 15,120. Now we are going to divide. Now we are going to remove the n minus 5 factorial. How do you do that? Diba sabi ko sa iyo, yung n factorial, you can write it in expanded form. Diba, remember, let's say for example, diba, halimbawa, going back here again, we have 3 factorial. Did you know that 3 factorial can be written as 3 times 2 times 1? However, there's an expanded form on how to write it. So we have 3, then this is 3 minus 1, then 3 minus 2. Did you know that 3 becomes 3? 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So therefore, you can do it like this. N factorial, this is n minus 1, n minus 2 until n minus 5. So we write it like this. N factor n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4, and n minus 5 factorial. Once we reach the n minus 5 factorials, we can now cancel n minus 5 factorials because we don't need them anymore. Now, all we have to do is to input onto the right 15,120. Then, we factor out 15,120 and see what numbers can fit in with the n factorial. So first, let's factor out it by 10. Of course, if we do that, factoring 15,120 by 10 will give us 10 times 15,000, 1,512. So let's see if we can divide it by 9. Can we divide that by 9? Okay, remember the divisibility rule of 9? To ensure that a number is divisible by 9, we must sum up all the digits until the sum of the digits can be divisible by 9. So 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Tama? So therefore, it is divisible by 9. Now let's divide. So 1,512 divided by 9. This becomes 1961, 654, 72, 18. So now we have 10 times 9 times 10 times 9 times 168. Can 168 be divisible by 8? Yes, it can. Let's check. So again, we wrote there 168 divided by 8. Tama, 81. Tama, it's 21. 21 pala. So 21. So therefore, we have 10 times 9 times 8 times 21. Did you know that 21 can be simplified to 7 times 3? So therefore, it's 10, 9, 8, 7 times 3. Diba? So now we can do 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 equals, pero that's not makasunod. Pero don't worry, kasi po we have a plan. Diba, remember sabi ko sa'yo, kailangan dapat naka-consecutive. Hey, how about let's try factoring out the largest number? Try to factor out 10. So 10 becomes 5 times 2. Did you know that 5 times 2 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 3? The 2 can be brought here to be equivalent to 6. And the 5 can be brought here. So therefore, let's try 9 factorial. Will 9 work? Let's see. So 9 times 8 equals 72. 72 times 7 equals, ano to? 14, 50, 504. Diba? 14, 504. Then times 6, this becomes 24, 3,024. Then times 5, this becomes 20. 5 times 2, 12. 1. Tama, we got the right answer. 15,120. Now, let's double check to see if it's correct. So our answer, our nth is 9. Now, let's double check. So again, we go to the bottom here. We write it this way. 9 factorial, 9 minus 5 factorial, 5 factorial. Remember, 9 factorial, 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial, diba? And then 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 5 factorial. In here, the 5 factorials will cancel out. 3 times 2 makes 6. 4 and 8 makes 2. So 2 times 7 is 14. 14 times 9 makes 126. So tama, that's the correct answer. Now we already solved for n. So therefore, n equals 9. So therefore, there are 9 packs. Pero, ganito kasi yung mangyayari. Diba sabi ko sa'yo, the start is 15. Tama? Kasi nga, diba remember, sabi ko sa problem na to, there are, the minimum number of strawberries is 15. But they add 2 more strawberries in each pack until they reach the maximum. So just what I told you, it implies a skip counting criteria. And diba I told you the reason why we solve for n, so that we will know the maximum number of strawberries in a pack. Because it will increase until the ninth pack. So if in the first pack we have 15, the second pack we have 17, the third one is 19, the fourth is 21, the fifth is 23, 6, 7, 8, 9. So therefore, the last pack is the 31st. So therefore, the maximum number of strawberries in a pack is 31. So therefore, 31 is the maximum. Now, did we get it right? Let's check my solution sheet in Excel and find out. Ayaw pala. So now, let's go back now to our sample of combinations. So now we have NC5 is equivalent to 126, diba? And then first we write the equation. So you know already the equation goes like this. Diba? So n factorial divided by n minus 5 factorial times 5 factorial equals 126. Then we bring the 5 factorial upstairs. So 126 times the 5 factorial. Then 5 factorial equals 120 to then multiply. Yan. So therefore here, ang ginawa ko dito ay 126 times 5 factorial to give me this 15,120. Then we write the equation. Then write n factorial in expanded form just like that. Then, denominator is n minus 5 factorial. Pagkatapos dyan, solve for n. So, to solve for n, we need to, ano yun? We need to factor the known product. To factor the known product, we did it like this. I tried to divide by 9, by 8, by 7, by 6 to see if we get it right. And we got 5. So, therefore, 9 factorial is a solution. So, check if correct if the product of 9 times 7 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 equals G183, which is that one, 15,120. If it's correct, it's correct. If wrong, try again. And we got it right. So, tama kami. Then, if n equals 9, therefore, we got it right. So, tama. That is correct. So, therefore, we know the maximum number of packs is 9. And the maximum number of strawberries in a pack is 31. Now, let's see if we can get the population mean. The population mean is very easy to obtain. It's just simply getting the average of all the numbers. And when we do that, what do we get? Average of 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31. We get 23. Tama? Now, we try to get the population variance. The variance is very easy. So, ganito kasi yun. So, skip counting to get the max value. Eto na yan. Now, we solve for the population variance. So, we have here, di ba remember, first is 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, and 31. Then, the max is right here. The average is 23. Tama? Now, we get to solve for the population variance. First, we subtracted by the mean. And when we do that, we get this answer, di ba? Then, we square our answers, and then get the average of everything. When we get the average of that, we get 26.66666 or 7 as the population variance. Taking the square root of your variance to give you the standard deviation. Just like so. Here's when I did the formula ng patuloy-tuloy. Alright? So yan. So here are the answers that I obtained. Now, let's list down all the possible samples. Here, we need 126 possible combinations. Pero to do that, there is a special technique that you must know. And again, here's the technique that I taught you before. Let me show to you again. Okay, class, ganito yung criteria. Nalo mo talaga yung itong pattern na to. 15, 17, 19, 21. And remember, whatever the element is, we highlight it, diba? So, we highlight the reference 15, 17, 19, 21. And diba remember, it says NC5. So, therefore, 5 minus 1 equals 4. So, we highlight 4 reference numbers. And then, we encircle the possible choices that we can make. Here, we can make 5 choices. Next, we're done with 21. So, the next element, remember, since this is 5, therefore, what do we do next? Do we have to go to the next right away? Wait, the 15, 17, and 19 are still there. But the one before the choices will be removed. And now, you're going to do it like this. So, 15, 17, 19, and what's the next possible choice? 23. So, highlight that. Then, we have 25, 27, 29, and 31. So, you only have 4 more possible choices. Tama? Then, after 23, keep the same, 15, 17, and 19 because we still need to work on this first. So now we have 15, 17, 19, and 25. Tama? So that is so those are the next numbers in line. Then what happens next? 27, 29, 31. Tatlo na yung mga choices mo. Diba? And the pattern still continues like that. 19, then 27, encircle the 4. 29, 31, dalawa na lang. Then we have 15, 17, 19, and 29. Highlight that, and then 31, isang choice na lang. So therefore, that makes 15. Pero we are still not yet done. Kasi nga, now that we're already done with the 19, and remember, we're now done with this element, kailangan dapat we move on to the next element for the next. Kasi nga, di ba dito, we're done with 21. The fourth element. So once the fourth element has already reached its maximum, therefore, what we're gonna do now is, we're going to remove the third element and then split it up. Okay? So instead of 19, it becomes 15, 17, and 21. So rewriting that, we have 15, 17, 21. No more 19 na because we are already done. Diba? 29, 31. So highlight the 4, and then we have 4 more choices. Diba? Then we have 15, 17, 21, and remember, goodbye 23. Where we have 25, 27, 29, 31. Highlight mo yung 4, tapos 3. Diba? Then we have 15, 17, 21, and 27. 29, 31, dalawa na lang. Then 15, 17, 21, 29, and 31. Isa na lang. Now when we add this together, we get 15. This one makes 10. Tama? Now we're done with 21. What's the next number? 15, 17, and 23. Very good. So now we have 15, 17, 23, 25, 27, 29, and 31. Highlight the 4 and then encircle the 3. So we have 3 choices. Then, for the second, we have 15, 17, 23, 27, 29, and 31. Dalawa. Now, 15, 17, 23, 27, 31. 1 choice. 6. Very easy. Alright? Now, next, let's go now to 15, 17, and 20. So now let's go to the number 25. So 15, 17, 25, that is the next number that we're going to get. 15, 17, 25, 27, 29, 31. Encircle the 4, dalawang choices. 15, 17, 25, 29, 31. Isa na lang. So 2 and 1. Now we have 15, 27, 29, and 31. Yan. Isa na lang yung choice. So now when we add this together, 15, 10, 6, 3 plus 1. So 15 plus 10 equals 25. 25 plus 6 equals 31. 31 plus 3 equals 34. So we have 35. Now we already done with 15 and 17. So therefore, what are we going to do now with 17? The 17 can now be set aside. And now we can already go now to the next number. The next element is 19. So now we write 15, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31. Tama? So now you know already what to do. Highlight these elements and then we get 4 items, diba? 15, 19, 21, 25, 27, 29, 31. Highlight the 4 and then we get 3 choices na lang. Then 15, 19, 21, 27. Dalawang choices na lang. And then isang choice. One choice. Alright? Next. Now, let's go to the next number. So, the next number, after 15, 19, we get to 15, 19, 23. Diba? Remember now, the 21 is already finished. Now, let's go to number 23. So, 15, 19, 23, 25, 27, 29, and 31. Highlight the 4, then encircle the 2. 15, 19, 23, 27, 29, and 31. Dalawa. Diba? And then after that, we have, ano to? 15, 19, 23, 29, diba? Isa na lang. And 31. So, isa na lang. So, altogether, that makes 6. Okay? Now, after that, we have 15, 19, and 25. 15, 19, 25, 27, 29, and 31. Here, dalawang choices. Then, we have this one. Isa. Diba? And then after that, we have 15, 19, 27, 29, and 31. Isa na lang. So, this makes 3. This makes 1. So, this is 10, 6. So, 35, 45, 51, 55. So, that becomes 55 now. Now, we're already done with 15 and 19. So, what is the next? Now, we're done with 15 and 19. Let's go to our next element. So, our next element is 15 and 21. Tama? So, now 15 and 21. So, now 15, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, and 31. Highlight the first 4. This becomes 3. 3 elements na lang. Then, the pattern still continues. 15, 23, 25, 21, 23, 27, 29, 31. Dalawang choices, diba? Then 15, 21, 23, and 29. Isang choice. So that becomes, ano to, 6. Diba? So 55 plus 6 equals 61. So 61 choices. Now we are gonna go to 15. And what's the next number? 15, 21, and 25. So, 15, 21, 25, 27, 29, and 31. Highlight the first 4, and then you encircle the 2. Then, 15, 21, 25, 29, and 31. Isa na lang. So, 3 to 1. Tama? Then, 15, 21, 27, 29, and 31. Tama. So, now we have 6. So, now we have 65. Because of this, diba? So, 65 is our total now. Now, let's keep track. So, now we're already done with 15 and 21. So, now what do we do next? 15 and 21 is already done. So, now let's go to 15 and 23. So, now we write 15, 23, 25, 27, 29, and 31. Highlight the first 4 and then you get 2 elements down. Diba? Then, 15, 23, 25, 29, 31. Isa na lang. So, that becomes 68. Tama? 68 elements. Diba? And then, after that, we have 15. What's the next item? 23, 27, 29, and 31. So, that's 69. And then, after that, 15, 25, 27, 29, and 31. So, that's only 1. So, 70. See the pattern? Kaya nga, it took us a long way to write this pattern, no? So, let me write it na lang on the distribution bar. You can see it properly. Alright? So, kailangan dapat we need to have 70 combinations by now. Kasi nga, when we have all the combinations of 15, kailangan dapat na lahat na yan ay naka 70. So, we need to have 70 different possible combinations that we already have formulated for the first set. Let's see if we get that right. Okay, so ganito yung mangyayari. So, now let's list down all the sample means. So, we need to obtain 126, di ba? So, kailangan dapat lahat na to ay 126. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times what gives you 126? So that's 14. So therefore, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So again, diba remember sabi ko sa'yo, we need to have 70. So listing all the elements, we have I, J, K, L, M. Diba? Then, after, so remember how many combinations we have first? We have, ano yun, 9. So I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. So this is M to Q. So 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Diba? And then after that, 1, 2, 3, 4. Diba hanggang Q? That's I, J, K, M. Then I, J, K, N. Tatlo. 1, 2, 3. Then I, J, K, O. 1, 2. Then I, J, K, P. 1. Diba? Now, after K, we go to letter L. So, apat na lang. 1, 2, 3, 4. IJL. Wala yun, diba? IJL naman. LM. Then IJLN is 1, 2, 3. IJLO, 1, 2. Diba? IJLP, 1. Then IJM. MNO. Diba? 1, 2, 3. Then 2. Then 1. Diba? Then MPQ. Then NO. NOP, dalawa. 1, 2. And then PQ, 1. Then OPQ, isa. Tama? Then after that, after IJ, we go to IK. So now we have IKLMN. So we have, how many are they? NOPQ. So 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after that, we go to letter M. IKLN. Diba? IKLN. NOPQ. So tatlo. 1, 2, 3. O, 1, 2. P is 1. Diba? Then we go to letter M. Letter M and O. 1, 2, 3. Diba? And then 1, 2. And then 1. Diba? Then letter N. 1, 2. The pattern still continues. Then 1. Then OPQ. OPQ, 1. Diba? Then we go to letter L. LMN. Then we go to letter L. LMNO. 1, 2, 3. And then we have OP. 1, 2. And then PQ, 1. Then letter N. NOP. 1, 2. And then NPQ. Yan, PQ. Diba? And then after that, OPQ. Then we're done, right? But we're still not done because we have to go to letter M. How about MNOP? MNO. 1. So yan, MNOP. And then Q, diba? Gets ko na. So this one, we remove the Q. This one, we remove the letter P. This one, wala tayong letter O. This one, wala tayong letter N. Diba? So altogether, we need to count if we have 70. Kasi nga we need to have 70 combinations. So counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then this 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, then 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So tama. We already have obtained 70 possible combinations in the first half. Now, how many more to go to get 126? So 126 minus 70 equals 56. So we still need 56 more combinations to be obtained. So now let's continue the quest. So now we are already on letter J. J, K, L, M, N. So let me write down the combinations first. How many combinations do we need? Diba, remember, we have a total of 126. So minus, how many is that? Minus 70, and that's 56. Tama? So kailangan tayo na may, ano yun? May 56, ano yun? We need 56 different combinations pa. Alright? So yan, 4 and then 3. Then, after that, the pattern still continues. 17, 19, 21, 23, highlight the reference. Ay, wait, that's supposed to be, ano to, 25 pala. Then 27, then 29, and 31. So, dalawa na to. Then, after that, 17, 19, 21, then 29. Tama ba? Then, 31. So, therefore, that's 1. So, therefore, that's 80 choices now. 80. So, that's our checkpoint. Tama? Then, after 17, 19, and 21, the next one is 17, 19, and 23. So, now we have 17, 19, 23, 25, 27, 29, and 31. 31. Now, highlight the first 4, then we encircle the 3. Then, we write the same pattern. 27, 29, and 31. Dalawa, di ba? Then, 17, 19, 23, 27, 30, 39, 31, and that's 1. So, 86. Tama, that's our checkpoint, di ba? And then, after that, we now move on to our next number. After 23, we go to 25. So now let's go to 17, 19, 25, 27, 29, and 31. Here, we encircle 2, then 17, 19, 25, 29, and 31. Isa lang. So therefore, and then after that, 17, 19, 27, 29, and 31. It's just only 1. So therefore, that's 4. So 90 na. So after that, after 17, 19, and 27, we go now to 17, 21. 17, 21, 23. So writing down the numbers again, 17, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, and 31. Highlight the first 4 elements, then encircle the 3. So we have 3 elements, 19, 20, 21, 23, 27, 29, 31. Here, dalawang choices pa rin. 17, 21, 23, 25, 29, 31. Isa na lang. So therefore, that's 1, 96. Diba? 96. Alright? Now that we're already done with these numbers, now we can already proceed. After 17, tama ba? (21, 23), we go now to 17, 21, and 25. So 17, so you can see the color. Let's 17, 21, 25, 27, 29, and 31. Highlight the first 4, and then we get the 2, diba? 17, 21, 27, 29, that's the first 4, then 31. Diba? So that's 1. So that's 99. Then we have 17, 23, 25, 27, 29, and 31. Highlight the first 4 elements, and then we get 2. Diba? Then 17, 23, 25, 29, and 31. Isa na lang. So that's 102. And then after that, we have 17, 23, 27, 29, and 31. Isa na lang. And 17, 25, 27, 29, and 31. Isa na lang rin. Tama ba? So let's see if we got this combination right. Actually, if I were to write the combinations, this will take forever. Kaya let's write it lang on, let me show you how I did it on Excel. Alright? So let me show you how I did it on Excel. So diba remember, we're now in JKLMN, diba? So JKLMN. So we're down to 70, diba? So JKLMN, then O, then P. Diba? Q. JKLMQ. NOPQ, 4. Then 3. NO, NP, and Q. And then O, OP, and Q. Dalawa. Then PQ. Then what happens after PQ? We go to letter M. So JKM. JKMNO. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Diba? Then 1, 2. Then 1. Then letter N, we have 1, 2. Then 1. Then O, you have 1. Tama? O, P, Q. Then letter L. So you have letter L, M, and O. So, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. And then L, J, L, M, O. O, P, O, Q. Dalawa. Then P, Q. Then this becomes J, M, N. J, L, N. J, L, N, O, P. 1, 2. Then 1. Then O, P, Q. 1. J, L, O, P, Q. Then J, M, N, O, P. Then no Q. No P. No O. No N. No M. That's it. So how many have we done? So now we're down to the, what is this element? This is the 12. 12 times 9 is 108. So tama, this is the 105th element. So 105 na to. So how many more to go? 21. That one, madali lang yan. So now we have K, A, L, M, N, O, P. So now let me write this combination for you. Para mas madaliin. Kaya buti nga talaga may Microsoft Excel na ako eh. So now we have 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31. Diba? Or was it 19? Yeah, 19. So in highlight, then there are only 3 choices there. So that's 108. Diba? Then 19, 21, 23, then 27, 29, and 31. Dalawa. And then after that, we have 19, 21, 23, 29, and 31. Isa. So therefore, that's already 6. So that's 111. So 111 combinations. Diba? Now, let's go to the number. Now after that, let's go to the number 23. So now we have 19, 23, 25, 27, 29, and 31. Here, we encircle 2, then 19, 20, 23, 25, 29, 31, 1. Diba? And then 19, 25, 23, isa na lang. And then we have 19. I weigh 25, 27, 29, 31. Dalawa, di ba? Then 19, 25, 27, 29, 31. Isa lang. So how many combinations is that? So now we already have 3 plus 2 plus 1. And that's 6, 111. Then we have 2 plus 1. And that's 14. Then 120. Did we get that one right? Let's see. So now we already have this. If I remember, we have KLMNO. Then after that becomes, if I remember, I wrote here, ano to? Tatlo. So, PQ. So, OPQ. Diba? Tatlo. Then after that, dalawa. 3. Then follow the pattern. 2. Diba? And then NO. And then 1. Diba? Then after that, we go to NOP. 1, 2. Then NPQ. 1. Then OPQ is 1. Tama? Then after that, we go to MNOP. 1. So here we have no letter Q, no letter P, no letter O, no letter N, and no letter M. So tama. So now we have 120 combinations already. So that's already it. So now we have 5. We have to choose 5, and then there's only L, M, N, O, P, Q. So here this is very easy. Here we have no letter Q. Here we have no letter P. Here wala tayong letter O, wala tayong N, at wala tayong M, and wala tayong N, L. So therefore, we made 126 possible combinations. And that's it. So that's how we make the list of samples. The list of samples here is very hard, no? Biro mo talaga, you have to make 5. Pero again, watch carefully, when your R gets larger. Pero don't forget, there's always a pattern part to help you out. Alright? Always remember the pattern. You highlight the elements that you use as your reference and then circle the possible choices. Then keep on descending as you go order. Okay? Then when you reach the maximum point, remove the one that has already been used and then move it to another one. So tama, we already have 126. Alright? Now let's make the sampling distribution of the sample means. So here our pattern is by force. Diba? By force. So we have 19, 19.4, 19.8, 20.2 until the maximum, which is 27. So you know already how to solve for the mean, right? The mean is just very easy. First, remember we have to do the tally and we need to ensure that we get 126. So how many 19s we have? Then we apply the count if formula within the chart. And then as we do so, we get 1. 1. Then we apply the rest. Kaya naka $sign, diba? You see there's always $sign. Then we click on the cell. And then we get 126. Then we highlight everything up and sum everything up to get 126. And to get the probability, that one is very easy. Just divide. And then sum of the probabilities together to get 1. Diba? Because if a probability does not sum up to 1, it's not a probability distribution table. Next. After that, to solve for the mean, it's very easy. Just random variable times the probability. Then sum everything up to get the mean. Diba? Very easy, diba? Then, to get the variance, remember, it's very easy lang. First, subtract it with the mean. Diba? Then, square it, and then multiply it with the corresponding probability. Kaya naka $sign so that we can lock. Then after that, we slide everything up all together and then bring up the sum to get the variance. Then taking the square root of your variance to get the standard deviation. So our sample mean is still 23. Our sample variance is 2.667. While our standard deviation is 1.63. Did we get that right? Yes, we got it right. And last but not least, we're going to formulate the histogram. That one is very easy. So to do that, highlight the chart first. Highlight the probabilities there. And then we click insert. Then chart, diba? Then click on the chart that you want to insert. Like for instance, maybe I want to add this chart. Yan. And did you notice now? It kind of looks like a histogram. Then, all we have to do now is to change the color of this. So the color will be color green. Because we're going to use color green for that one. Alright? So this one will be color green. And then, our chart title will be Felicity's Histogram. Let me type it for you. Yan. And then we select data to edit the data there. And then the horizontal axis should be from 19 to 27. So 21. So yan, diba? And it should look like something like this. That's it. And now we already have a normal distribution. Then we put the background by coloring it in. So maybe let's color this green by putting this. Yan, diba? Pero the colors are still not yet shown. So we need to change the font. So to change the font, just right click, then click on the font size, then make it white. So we make it white na lang para mas makita, mas malinaw. So right click, font, then click on the color, font color, then we make it white. Yan, everything should be white. Then right click, font, then color, white. That's it. And now we made the histogram.